Hey YouTube, Untamed here. I'm going to do a real quick walk around video of these two beautifully built Toyotas. Of course, we got a Toyota Tacoma over here and a Tundra TRD Pro over there. Both of them are pretty nicely built up. I think the Tacoma might have a little bit more action going on, so we'll start over here. So we have some Geolander MT tires, Yokohama tires with an Icon, I would argue Icon Stage 8 or Stage 9 lift kit on it, with the integrated Fox external reservoir there, so kind of cool. Safari, gosh, it's slipping my mind right there. Snorkel, yikes. Rooftop tent, CVT rooftop tent. There's so much on this, I'm not gonna be able to list it all, but I'll just kind of do it as I see it, okay? Got a roof rack up front, and of course, a roof rack on the bed canopy out back here, bed cover. CVT, I don't see this too often, but that CVT rooftop tent is pretty slim, and I like that. So oftentimes, like the iCamper Skycam 2.0 that I had was huge, very thick, an awesome hard shell rooftop tent, but this one, I appreciate the slimness of it, really. Pretty sleek, matte black wrap. Aftermarket tails. I think it's Stealth custom wheels. What are your thoughts on these Yokohama tires? You don't see that too often either. Rear quarter out back, C4 rear bumper. Let's look at the Tundra over here. I might be able to do a little bit better job showing you this one, okay? So 2023 Tundra TRD Pro in the ice cap white. Let's look at the wheels real quick. Some Mickey Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain tires. I actually really like these, and I think these are going to be the tires that I actually put on my 4Runner TRD Pro. So I've been really leaning in this direction. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you've had these before, what has been your experience? You guys know, traditionally speaking, I lean with some BF Goodrich KO2s or some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, both of which are incredible. But trying to shake it up a little bit, try something different this time around. The rear quarter of the Tundra here. You know, I didn't even tell you the size. There's some 305 70 18s. Roof rack with the Pelican containers up top. This is a Grizzly roof rack. I believe both of them have the same rack. Definitely a solid stance to it, pretty aggressive. And those Mickey Thompsons really help the look. Oh, we got a puppy dog feature. We're gonna try to pet this dog. Hi, buddy. Hi. This is where I get bit. Hi. Hi, bud. Hi. You are the cutest thing. Good boy. Good boy. He's loving it. Good boy. Good boy. He's so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's talk about it. You're not watching this video to look at a dog. But, alright guys. I will wrap up the video there. Let me know what your thoughts are between the two of them here. Which one would you prefer? I guess it doesn't matter which one you need. You need the, the full-size truck, or does that mid-size Tacoma over there, the last of the 3.5 liter V6, which one's going to suit better for you? Appreciate you watching as always. Till next time.